Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back. Back at the bus I was scraping the change, back in my head I was living a life. Back at my job I was losing the focus and trying to find ways to get back to the mic. All of this working and working, I feel like a liar and I cannot lie to my soul. I know the truth universal, so don't let me tell you, I know that a lot of you know.
Pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if we don't make $1, then I couldn't make a real change, baby. Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if we don't make $1, then I couldn't make a real change, baby.
Came up out the womb a giant. You a lick and you a client. Now you got so much to say. I was hurting, you was quiet. Glory is as glory does. So you know the story love. Never thought he'd be a legend. He was always sure he was. You was always naysaying. Some things never change. Spiritually I never aged. Feeling like 11th grade. Junior me, proud of me. Standing tall, towering. Doing things I never do. If I was living cowardly. Sushi roll, sour D, song 3, hour 3. I don't even go to sleep. Know the Lord empower me. Wake them up, they sound asleep. They gon' hear the sound of me. When the money getting up, truly ain't no down in me. Finally get it, cause look at me now and then looking at me from the picture. They probably thought that I need them, or thought that I keep them. They lucky if I even miss them. Thinking that you got me figured, you figured it wrong, but it's okay, I truly forgive you. Lately I ain't got the time to be picking no fights when I'm trying to fix shit for the niggas.
Pieces of a poet, don't you know that I'm the real thing, baby. And if we don't make $1, then I couldn't make a real change, baby. Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know that I'm the real thing, baby. And if we don't make $1, then I couldn't make a real change, baby.
Wave, my inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows, but it feel cold. Get my spirit to the pin stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. Then I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been feeling dope. I've been in the mode when my people dilated. Keep the beating, then annihilated to the siren fading. A violation, I've been going places. There's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy meals with no limitation. Carve a smile with a straight faces. Therapeutic, self-medicated, I've been doing fine for a low life. Skin clear through the low light. Straight gas for the stove light. Clips and green, all I know is the glow. And it's in my pro and it shows right. Third finger to my old life. I can lose, count up the bill. For nothing even. Put on for the crew. It's a king, don't got no roof. So I can shoot for the star, yeah. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star, yeah. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star. I just hit the Brody, what you want? I just got myself a little map to remind me where I'm from and where I'm going and where I'm at. Only trip straight up my tulips. I talk that truth. I'm out here trying to smell the roses while I'm still here. I'm at the crib, getting toasted. I'm up You might pick up on the pros if I got the toys, but they want my business to reside right by where they nose it. Get my image from the stores, yeah. I come from where the floor is top ramen bowls. I used to live off of the moors, so now I get portions. Since 18, been on my own, so my life from corners. But then I learned how they do it nice. 2020 with the business up, keep the job pumping with the borders. Pocket clear with the cash back, the last laugh and no mortgage. Mind spinning out of orbit. Right now, I'm so right. Third finger to the whole life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spin that thing, we boo. Put on for the crew. It's a crew. Don't got no roof. So I can shoot for the star, yeah. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star, yeah. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star.
So, tell me what it is, what you want from me, what you want from me. Tell me what it is, don't tell me what it ain't. They try to throw salt, it just made the pressure raise. Going through a phase, gotta get myself out it. Don't talk about it, boy, they said you gotta be about it. So I be trying to face the world head on. Front seat riding, cruising down the meadows. Pedal to the meadow, cool breeze blowing down the windows. Calm trees, blowing trees, get that boy some headroom. On the interstate in traffic, but I swerve out. What's the moves for the night, what's the word now? What's the links, hit me up, we could go now. I got hella pieces, she got hella features. Get me hella geeked up, she be blowing shisha. Reefer on me loud, hope them boys don't creep up. I don't know a thing, if you do not speak up. In my own world, I don't try to girl, tell me what you want. Don't be tryna front like I ain't what you want. I ain't here to stand, let me take you out for lunch. I'ma get you drunk, yeah, feeling on your buns. Licks in the blunt, I got ash in my cup. All these girls showing up, but I don't give a fuck. Cause you the one I want, girl, you the one I want. Girl, you the one I want. Hey, come and show me love, you wanna be a rider. And I'm feeling high, can't deny it. She a bad joint named Maya. And when I seen her, man, she looked fire. She got me feeling higher than a sour. So I'm tryna feel how I feel inside her. I asked her what she doing, she like nada. So she just chillin', about to get up in the shower. I said, alright, cool, I'ma be there in an hour. I just wanna live like a Kuna and Matata. I ain't got no time for no baby mama drama. All about my comments, my letters, no tomatoes. Niggas always bragging what they got up in they wallet. Ain't no really telling if we let us see tomorrow. Get it on my own, I ain't really tryna bar. So I stay fly, gotta dress up in designer. Tell me what it is, what you want from me, what you want from me. Tell me what it is, don't tell me what it ain't. They try to throw salt, it just made the pressure raise. Going through a phase, gotta get myself out it. Don't talk about it, boy, they said you gotta be about it. So I be trying to face the world head on. Front seat riding, cruising down the meadows. Pedal to the meadow, cool breeze blowing down the windows. Calm trees, blowing trees, get that boy some headroom.